This is a nuclear power plant. Can you name that nuclear power plant? How about now? Still can't name it. It's Darlington Nuclear in Ontario, Canada, about 70 kilometers east of Toronto, on the north shore of Lake Ontario. Darlington comprises 4 CANDU reactors that produce a total of 3,512 megawatts of electricity, enough to power about 2 million homes. That makes Darlington one of the largest nuclear power stations in the world and the largest in Canada. Darlington provides about 20% of Ontario's electricity, which is about 10% of Canada's total electricity output. In this video, we'll take a look at the refurbishment program, what it means for the future of the plant, and how it supports Ontario's clean energy goals. Let's get into it. Darlington is currently undergoing a major midlife refurbishment, an investment that began in 2016 and will continue through 2026. This, along with other factors, has enabled Darlington to achieve some of the highest capacity factors among nuclear plants in North America. The use of modular components and prefabrication of modules are features of the refurbishment project. These approaches reduce the amount of time needed to complete the work by about 30%, minimizing the number of workers who need to stay on site. Following the refurbishment, the post-refurbishment Darlington units are expected to have capacity factors of about 85 to 90%. Unit 2 of Darlington achieved a capacity factor of 94.7% in 2022. After its modernization, Unit 2 also set a new company record by operating continuously for 529 days. Unit 3 was originally scheduled to come back online in November 2023, but came back online in July 2023, beating its schedule by 169 days. Unit 1 is expected to come back online in mid-2025 and Unit 4 by the end of 2026. For GE, Vernova BWRX 300 SMRs will be constructed near Darlington's existing nuclear facilities. Each SMR is capable of producing about 300 megawatts of electricity. The project is expected to be completed by 2030. The SMR project will create about 18,000 jobs and add about $38.5 billion to Canada, its economy over 65 years. Once refurbished, each unit will be capable of producing 882 megawatts of electricity. The refurbishment project will ensure that Darlington continues to provide clean energy for decades to come. And with the addition of SMRs, Darlington is set to become a global leader in nuclear innovation at a cost of $12.8 billion Canadian. The project will extend the life of the station through 2055. Darlington Unit 2 reconnected to the grid in June 2020 after a 26-month outage for its refurbishment. Between now and 2055, Darlington's 8 reactors will avoid the emission of about 297 million tons of carbon dioxide. That's the equivalent of taking 2 million cars off the road annually. It is expected to create about 14,200 jobs annually over the next decade and generate about $90 billion in economic benefits, according to OPG, when fully completed. The Darlington refurbishment will have created about 30,000 person-years of employment and up to $750 million in annual wages. After Darlington is refurbished, its 4 reactors will operate safely and reliably for the next 30 years without any greenhouse gas emissions. CANDU reactors can be operated at power levels up to 100%, above their original guaranteed thermal performance levels. The Darlington refurbishment uses a fast-paced approach to component replacement, allowing for more frequent outages of shorter duration, a practice known as online refueling. The refurbishment project is creating jobs and economic benefits for Ontario. Darlington Nuclear is a vital clean energy asset for Ontario. It provides reliable, safe, and low-cost baseload power to the province, helping to meet Ontario's electricity needs while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The Darlington site is set to host North America's first grid-scale deployment of small modular reactors, or SMRs. Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more.